To pay with Venmo on your phone. Start by opening the Venmo app and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to sign up by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once you are logged in, you will see a dashboard with several options, including the ability to send money, request money, and make purchases. To make a payment, tap the Send Money option and enter the recipient's name, username, or phone number. You can also scan the recipient's Venmo QR code to quickly add them as a recipient. Next, enter the amount you want to send and add a note to the payment if you want to include a description of what the payment is for. Before you send the payment, you will need to choose how you want to fund the payment. You can use a credit or debit card, a bank account, or your Venmo balance. Select the funding source you want to use and confirm the payment. The recipient will receive a notification that they have been sent money and can then transfer the funds to their bank account or use them to make a purchase. When using Venmo, it is a good idea to only send money to people you know and trust, as all payments are final and cannot be canceled. You should also be careful when entering the recipient's information to ensure you are sending the payment to the right person. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using Venmo, such as a small fee for using a credit card to fund a payment. In addition to sending money, you can also use Venmo to make purchases at participating merchants. To do this, tap the Pay with Venmo option at checkout and select your funding source. Some merchants may also offer rewards or discounts for using Venmo, so be sure to look for these when you are checking out. Overall, paying with Venmo on your phone is a quick and easy way to send money to friends, family, or merchants. By following these steps and being aware of the potential fees and risks, you can use Venmo with confidence and take advantage of the convenience it offers.